We're Team NSTEP, and we're helping to bring healthy food to children so that we can empower them to make healthy choices. We know that healthy behaviors start in childhood, so we're teaching children how to make these healthy foods, making sure that it's culturally appropriate. The way that we used to do things doesn't work anymore during these COVID times. So how can we get the healthy food in the right place at the right time for those who need it most? So what we suggest is having child education for new Canadians, bringing the healthy food to where they live, learn, and play, so that the children can help to educate their families so that they can have healthier families altogether.
Our solution is that it's easy, simple, cheap recipes and food. We plan on distributing food kits in Harvest Hills and providing educational resources such as translation to help empower the youth to make a difference for their families and the communities around them. What goes into these kits? There's going to be healthy food ingredients such as rice, carrots, cucumbers, a book in there, educational information, and recipes. And we'll distribute once a week in the Thornhill pool parking lot by volunteers.
And how our solution helps is that we are taking Canada's food guide and adapting it to be more specific for the different cultures in our city. We also talk about others, 9 out of 10 food choices from the 3 food groups, and then it's okay to have another. Here's an example of a Mediterranean plate and a vegetarian plate that has pictures of food that are easily recognizable. Especially in communities that have Sudanese populations, their foods easily fit into Canada's food guide, and also this rice-focused plate for various Southeast Asian communities. Here's our dynamic, diverse team of individuals. And what we want to do is we want to teach you how you can bring NSTEP into your community and help those families have healthy futures. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.